This story is the continuation of our Kunnur Ooty trip covering the Ooty part. Ooty, the queen of hill stations, also known as Udhagamandalam, is a hill station in Tamil Nadu that serves as a top-rated tourist destination. Once regarded as the summer headquarters of the East India Company, the Queen of the Hills is a picturesque getaway. Dotted with tea gardens, tranquil waterfalls, winding country lanes, and charming colonial architecture, Ooty is the perfect respite for everyone. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway is the steepest track in all of Asia. Remember the hit song Chaiya Chaiya, where Shah Rukh Khan and Malaika Arora match steps on top of a train? Remember the breathtaking locales as the train chugged its way across the lush greenery? Yes, that was the Nilgiri Mountain Railways and the Nilgiri Mountains all along. We took a train from Kunnur to experience the Nilgiri Mountain Railway and reached Ooty, which is the terminal station. After reaching Ooty, first we went to Ooty Lake or Ooty Boat House, which is at around about 2 kilometers from the station. One of the most important parts of every Ooty tour, Ooty Lake is indeed a place to visit. It is an artificial lake that was built for fishing purposes. This lake is popular for boating. Tourists can be seen enjoying a refreshing ride on its peaceful waters. There is a boating house located near the lake, offering a wide array of boats on hire. There are few other things like hopping at the mini train ride, having fun at amusement park, 7D cinemas, and many more that make the place more attractive. There are also few shops located around the lake selling different locally made items. It took around an hour to roam there, and then we went to the Botanical Gardens, which is maintained by the Horticulture Department of Tamil Nadu. The Botanical Gardens of Ooty is undeniably one of the most popular places to see in Ooty. Spread over 55 acres of land, this garden is divided into 5 different sections as Lower Garden, which includes the entrance, lawn, and fern house. The new garden region includes a rose garden, terraced flower beds, natural ponds, and carpeted emblems of the state and nation. Italian garden, which features an informal garden laid out in the Italian style. The conservatory has various flowering plants and a bog for marsh plants. Nurseries have 8 glass houses and terraces where plants are cultivated. Another popular attraction of the Botanical Garden is the fossil tree trunk, which is said to be around 20 million years old. The wide variety of plants here is worth exploring. We completed our tour at the Botanical Gardens very fast, and then we went to the Rose Garden, which is also at a distance of around 3 kilometers and another popular place to visit in Ooty. Maintained by the government of Tamil Nadu, this garden is spread across 4 hectares of land and proudly presents more than 20,000 varieties of roses. A well-maintained garden, it also boasts of winning the Garden of Excellence Award for South Asia from the World Federation of Rose Societies. The unparalleled beauty of roses promises a visual treat and an ideal backdrop for photography. After completing the tour at the Rose Garden, which typically takes around 2 hours, we completed a little quicker and started for tea factory and museum. Located at Doddabetta Road in Ooty, at a distance of around 5 kilometers from the city center and at a distance of 4 kilometers from Doddabetta Peak, it is a must-visit place for all tea lovers. Spread over an area of nearly 1 acre of land, the Ooty Tea Factory is situated amid the blue hills of Nilgiris at an altitude of approximately 1900 meters. In the tea museum, visitors can learn about the origin of different kinds of tea leaves that are used across the globe, along with the history of the tea in India and its evolution in the Nilgiris. While inside the factory, one can learn and experience the method of tea processing by CTC machines. CTC is an acronym for cut, twist and curl. We sipped a hot cup of tea made out of that factory while admiring the beautiful surroundings of the place. After visiting to the tea factory, most visitors make it a point to visit the adjacent chocolate factory lodged in the next building. Not only do you get to watch how chocolate is made, but you will also get a chance to buy chocolates in various yummy flavors. Since it was late afternoon and most of the other places of the tourist attractions were yet to close by the day, we went to a countryside sightseeing. One of the remarkable sights was Wellington, which is a town in the Nilgiris district 3 kilometers to the north of Kannur on the National Highway 181. The town includes a Wellington Bazaar and the Wellington Cantonment. The Wellington Cantonment is home to the Madras Regimental Centre and the Defence Services Staff College. The Nilgiri passenger train passes through Wellington, which also has a railway station. Wellington Gymkhana Club is also worth a visit. After the countryside sightseeing, we went back to homestay at Kannur. The next day, we started for Bangalore, which is via Mudumalai and Bandipur forest. The way was extremely scenic and we experienced the beauty of Ooty as the car passed through different sites. Since we started from Kannur, we had almost passed through the entire Ooty town. On the way, we did a quick tour of Pine Forest, which is famous shooting spot in Ooty. The soaring pines, breathtaking views, and pleasant atmosphere make it a perfect base for filming various movies. Several Bollywood hit films have been shot here. Then we went to 6 Mile Shooting Point, which is also on the way to Bangalore. It is 6 miles or about 10 kilometers away from Ooty. It is a part of the Wellington Downs and numerous Indian movie shootings have been taken place over the years. The area is surrounded by dense Sula forests, and those form a stunning backdrop for these extensive lush green grasslands. After doing a quick tour and taking some pictures at the 6 Mile Shooting Point, we continued our journey towards Mudumalai Bandipur forest. I will share the Mudumalai and Bandipur forest trip in one of my next videos. Keep my channel subscribed to get notified about any of my next uploads. See you then, take care, bye bye.